using the ball of my foot. I'm squeezing my brakes. Don't rely on other drivers. Rely on yourself. Apply proper stopping position in residential and rural. We're doing that right now. Determine the minimum time and space. We're going to count from the light, 1001, 1002, 1003. We're about 3 seconds away. Our path of travel is straight, so we want to be looking straight. We should not be drifting to the right or left. We're going to make a lane change to the right, mirror, blind spot. We're in the lane. We cancel our blinker. Our path of travel is straight. We have the curve to the right. We have the broken white line to the left. We're using space management principles of predict, decide, and act. We're predicting that we need to slow down soon. We also could predict that the white car could cut over. We want to squeeze the brake with the ball of our foot. I always say squeeze. We don't want to say hit the brake because people will slam brakes. We should see the rear of the tires on the ground. If you're past the white line like this Durango is, that is a minus. Approach and turn at multiple lane intersections. We're starting to do this now. We're also going to demonstrate how to enter, exit, and cross traffic at complex and controlled intersections. We're going to take this step by step. There's a lot of information here, and I need you to listen and put questions in. This is drive 3, moderate speed, dense traffic, suburban, rural areas. This is the suburban area. Perpendicular parking, angle parking, stall parking. Let's go back to using space management principles, PDA, predict, decide, act, to reduce potential collisions. Like this car coming over at the last second, that could be a potential collision. I'm going to turn on my right turn signal. I'm going to squeeze my brake. And I'm looking right at them. I check, and I go in the nearest lane. And that's in the first lane to the right. I'm going to lift my foot off the gas, and I'm just rolling right up. We want to see the rear of the tires on the ground once again. We should see the rear of the tires on the ground. Use a shared left turn lane to enter driveways, streets, or parking lots. Approaching maneuvers through roundabouts. Approaching a maneuver through a left. We've done some of those. Passing correctly with ample space and time. Respond to traffic control devices. That's traffic lights, stop signs, yield signs. We have a green, so we want to maintain speed. I feel okay right now, but I'm going to make a lane change to the left once we pass this traffic light. I'm predicting what this car will do. I'm going to get over one lane to the left, accelerating through. And now I'm lifting off my gas. You have to show the tester you have control of your vehicle. We do not want to tailgate. We're at about 40 miles an hour. That's fine. You don't want to go other than the posted speed limit. Do not want to go over the posted speed limit. If you have questions, I need you to go ahead and put those in. If you just popped in, I'm a state certified driving instructor. I teach adults and teens. We drove 9 hours today, so I'm talking about the road skills evaluation. This information can help you pass your test. We're at about 50 miles an hour. You have to be able to use a shared left turn lane. The two middle lanes are the smooth lanes. The lane to the right is for slower moving traffic. You'll see the Range Rover getting ready to come out. You'll see cars in the area. They have a blinker. That's a pretty good blinker. It's about 2 blinks. I prefer 3. White vehicle to the right, and I'm maintaining good speed right now. Occasionally you should check your speedometer. We're at about 50. There's no one but space. I'm taking my time. I'm going to make a lane change to the left, accelerating through my lane change.